Hello YouTube. How is my beautiful YouTube family doing? I hope everybody is doing well. Today this is a walkthrough of a Valentine's themed junk journal that I created, and this is the way the cover looks. I used this gorgeous shabby chic paper, added some trim. I wanted the cover to be fairly simple. I didn't want it to have too much going on, and then it's just too much sometimes. So I did leave this loose just in case the person who receives this wants to put their own pictures there or their own sentiment. So on the cover I just used these hearts that I got from Dollar Tree. I added some beautiful trim on the side. There are some charms and goodies that is coming with this, but in order to see that, you have to check out my Etsy shop. There you will see the extra stuff that is going to come with this. It's just I have a few of them that are still not done, so I don't want to share some and not all. So if you want to see that, what comes with it, then you have to go down to my Etsy shop, and that's Crafty Kim Shop. All together, one word, over on Etsy, and you would find my items and my goodies that are there. So the closure to this is this gorgeous ribbon, and so let's just get inside. When you open it, it has two pockets here, and it has this beautiful shimmer paper. I did use my Martha Stewart punch on the edge. These images I got off of Pinterest, and it's this gorgeous donut material. I have this gorgeous trim going all around, and here goes your first few pages. And I just made a cute little pocket from this heart that you get at Dollar Tree. Now I still have glue strands everywhere, and so that's just a little card from there. And then here I have this tracing paper, and it has a little card here as well. And I got all my images from Pinterest. And then this here is a pocket, a cute little tag. And then these are receipts. Oh, I forget what you call them. What are these? Rent receipts or register receipts? Anyway, there's a yellow one under there. Over here, I created this pocket out of birthday wrapping paper. It's a little envelope and it's empty, so you can add your own little goodie in there. And here goes the pocket as well. And then there's a tag up here as well. And then I have this here because there's a charm that's going to go on there. And like I said, if you want to see what comes along with this, you have to check out my Etsy shop. Here we have another beautiful pocket with a gorgeous image. Some trims. Here goes a little tuck spot. You can tuck whatever you like under here. And I just used an old planner, so it has old 2019 planner paper. I had so many planners that I stood with, or calendars that I stood with, so I figured I would use it. Here I printed this beautiful picture of Zendaya, and I just like it because it said "Oh, more." Added some gorgeous trim here. And then here I just have this cute little lips, little boy image. Here goes another tag, and then of course you have a large tag, so you can write your memories or whatever you want to write. And I just added a feather there. I didn't want to do nothing to this because I just thought it was so cute. Just added some trim. Here is another little tuck spot with this cute little boy. There's another tuck spot in your card, your tag. And over here, I wanted to make it look like a writing pen, so I took the feather and wrapped it up and pointed out the point to make it kind of look like a pen. And then here is an envelope that does not open. but it does hold the tag. And then up here, another tag as well. And then on this side, I just made a belly band. And inside the belly band, you have 2 envelopes and just some paper in there. And then here, a little tag. This, I'm not gonna open, it's just a plain tag inside. So you can put away anything that you would like. And it has some gorgeous trim, some ribbon and some eyelash trim there. Next page, it's just the envelope. In this envelope, you could fit quite a few things in there, and I just put this tag in there just to give it something decorative to look at. Over here, we have another tag, and it's just beautiful. I think I really, really like the way this came out. And here goes another tag and journaling spot, a rosette. And here is to put a photo. You can make this into a shaker if you like, but I figured a photo would be much more desirable. This is left open, so you could either put a shaker, put some shaker bits inside, or just add your photo. I like this paper so much I didn't want to do nothing to it, so I left it alone. On the back side, I just added some trim. This is a paper bag, and here's a little pocket here, and of course another tag up here. I'm not sure, I don't remember if this is a booklet. This might be a booklet. And then up here, another tag. You have this large space for journaling or adding another photo if you like. Here is some pink paper and a plain envelope, so you can add anything else that you would like. Here is the center doily, center page. It has 2 spots, 2 tags. And over here, this is just a large pocket, so you can put anything that you really want. And then here is just some papers that you can actually lift up to journal underneath. And over here, this is also another tuck spot. You can tuck some stuff there. And I think that kind of looks nice there. I might just leave that there. And then here is another pocket. And you can add something there. I'm not sure if this, yeah, this is another tuck spot. You can add something in there and something up here as well. And I really love this page. This is a belly band, so you can tuck anything you'd like in there. And of course you can journal. And here is an envelope that's plain, empty, but you can fill it with whatever you would like. And then here goes another side belly band. If you want to add something there, you can do that as well. I left this open. This is just a neat little page you can just journal on. Another journaling spot, and then this has a cute rosette on it, and it opens up so you can journal. Here goes in there again. Here goes another calendar page. And these are the last few pages. This is a tuck spot where you can have a tag in there. You could change out that tag if you'd like. And the back is just plain. I think I'm going to add some beaded trim here. And of course, here goes another pocket in the back. So you got quite a bit of real estate in here. And plus, it's going to come with some other goodies and a few charms and paper clips, just to name a few of what's coming with it. So this will be going up in my Etsy shop. Probably not tonight, maybe late afternoon tomorrow. So yeah, Let me know what you guys think, and if you're interested, go down to Crafty Kim shop over on Etsy. Thank you guys for watching, and keep safe.